Okay, we're on the Blizzard Brahma, and we're going into Hell's Kitchen. Now, we really liked that Cochise yesterday. It was a workhorse. Went through Harbor Chop and everything, and we're going to try this one, see how this one works. Ryan and I both have it on. We've been trying to compare, you know, one railer and one couch potato, seeing how they like, so you guys get a all-around opinion of the skis.
Mine need wax.
Just blowing through everything, trying to stay neutral on the ski. Very nice. Way better than I believe this ski was before.